teacher got a plan, not a maybe. Her to-do list tight, motivation daily. She don't sit stuck, she move boldly. Discipline is freedom, yeah, she told me. Can't check the list, dominating teacher, mark it done. One by one, she don't run from none. Bitch, if it's on the page, it's already won.
I'm back, guys. I'm super excited because we're talking stickers. So I really want to show some of you that are new, and if you old, just bear with me. What I mean? Old, stop getting upset about that word. I created my old ain't nothing mean, but you've been around a while. So I created my own sticker book a couple of years ago, and it's free. I don't know if it's on my freebie shop. I have to look. And so what I did was I created this sticker book, and it has links to all the folders, and then you were to design the covers of which you wanted those links to go to, and then each link took you to a page, okay? But then I'd customize mine. So mine, iconic sticker, maybe this one's mine. Yes. So I went through my sticker shop, and I actually looked at all of the stickers that I had bought and who made them. And if I had bought multiple of theirs, I actually put it on here. And then what I did was I took the different areas like AI, faith, Pinterest, stuff like that, and created those links as well. So the next thing is I have women clip art. So when you look at my women clip art, I told y'all this before. When you go into my files, iCloud, we want to go to Etsy, and we want to go to stickers, and we want to go to women, okay? So this is all of my stickers, but they were named based on what they were downloaded as in Etsy. So whatever the lady called it or whoever made the stickers called it, that's what it was here. Girl, I didn't know what that stuff was. So I numbered mine. I went through and I just numbered them randomly. There's no particular reason for the numbers. Then I went back to Etsy and screenshotted her cover. And then I placed those covers here. So now I know what 1 is, 2 is, and I can see each one. The covers may be a little blurry, but all I needed was a visual. This is for me, okay? I wish it could be a little better, but we're not going there, and that would spend way too much time to get that perfect image, all right? And some of them just came out blurry. So with that being said, sorry. What I want to do is just double check, and I have some more. So that only goes up to 111, but I have 123 stickers, so I need to screenshot those pictures. And sometimes you can just put 1 image or 2 or whatever, or you can go back and get exactly. See how I just put the 1 image so I know basically what's in there? Like I know this should be some type of journaling or prayer. I know this is some type of winter scenes. And sometimes when I just see that 1 picture, it reminds me of what I bought, because I got to the point where I needed to do it quickly. When you see the full image of what's on Etsy, that's because that's when I was going through doing it. At this point, I'm just taking an image to know what's in there. I know 114 is of the, no, 108 is of the men. The boss lady ones, I remember what those look like. And now I know what to go in and look for. Why is that important? Who clicking on all of those things to see what you want? And it ain't even what you want. Right? And then the next section is my watercolors, because I got into buying a few of those. So let's go ahead and go back to my files. So if you scroll all the way down here, then you know these are my watercolors, and those images for one are here. And let's just go back to GoodNotes. I know I'm all up. I'm just showing you the process, just showing you how I organize everything. Let's go back to our stickers and go to the sticker book, and let's go to our women. So I'm not going to copy. I'm just going to take are these individuals? So what I plan on doing, see now, because that's, I can take them over. I ain't got to re-screenshot them, because now I can copy these over to Note for when I bring the book in and get everything organized. Because I think I have all of my latest stickers all the way up to 123. I do have another one that's 124. I haven't labeled that yet, and we'll do that in a minute. Okay. And then when you go over to my watercolors, all I got to do is copy all of these And I could save them all to my files and go ahead and put them in, and that way they wouldn't move. But to me, that's just a waste of time, because now all I got to do is grab all of these and move them over, and that's what I plan on doing. So what I'm happy about is that I can now just slide the stickers over from GoodNotes. So we're just going to export this as a PDF. We're going to open it in Noteful, create a new notebook. All right, so here we go. And so you just swipe. It's still on 2, so we're going to change it back to horizontal. So when I click women, you got to hold it. You just take it here. None of this is linked because it's showing you the files, right? And then when I click this, it takes me back. And when I go to Luxbook, it should take me to all my Luxbook stickers. They're already named. When I click Raw Elements, they take me to all my Raw Elements collections. Now, the first thing I want to do is open up GoodNotes. And I want to go over. We're just going to set this up real quick. We want to go over to GoodNotes. Open up my sticker book. And then I just want to copy all of this. The first thing I want to do. Copy. All right. Now we want to go over here. And we want to paste. Y'all don't know, when I thought I was going to have to re-download all of those stickers. I thought I was going to have to download all of these stickers again, upload them into Noteful, and I was crying. So look at there. And then each one, once you do that, is still an individual. Oh, no, I think it do bring it over as a group. Well, that's fine with me. I'm not mad at it. Okay? So now I need to go back and get 112 through 114. So we want to go back to GoodNotes. And we want to copy. And then we want to come back over here and paste. And then we got to get 115 through 120. I'm just taking my time, setting it up. Perfect. And now we need to get the rest. Now I did buy another one, 124. So we want to go over to our files. We want to name it. So it's called, where's it at? I was trying to see where I put it. Well, this is one set. So this is called a Black Mature Woman. Where's the one I like? Black Mature Woman of Faith. We're going to change this to 124. So we're going to rename it. And we just call it 124. Now we just pick an image to save to our files. I kind of like her. Have Faith. And then we just going to save image. Did it save it? Let's see. So then we come over here. Yep. And we just put her on 124. Crop her down. Now I could go get the Etsy listing if I wanted to. I don't think it's necessary. My mind is not that bad yet. I just need to know what's in those files. And then I got one more. It's a blue collection. It looks like 110. So I have 125. So where's that one at? These are months and dates, so I don't plan on linking those. This is my iPad collection that don't have nothing to do with anything. Let's go to recents. Oh, you know what? Never mind. Never mind. I didn't put them in here. You know where they at? They're in GoodNotes. So if you go home, they're in, and I want to say they Kezaku. What happened to the stickers? Oh, there they go. See right here, these blue winter stickers. So I'm going to have to take them over, and they're part of the Kezaku design. So I don't know if I can upload them into Noteful, but if not, I can just take the whole page and take it over to Kezaku, and that's what I would do. And this one, I won't number it. I'll just copy. But I don't know if that's going to work. Because I think you have to do each one individually. We'll see. That's in another video. I do know where they're at. So I think I did everything with my new ones because I haven't bought a lot. I've been making my own stickers. So my sticker book is almost ready for me to begin moving stuff over. I do hate the fact that I might have to move them over individually. Because look, when I moved over, see, can you lasso? Yep, it's going to take all three of them. That's going to make a lot more time. All right, guys, so that is my sticker setup for 2026, which is the same as I used for 2025. I just wanted to show you my current setup and what I plan on doing. So some of this might have to be done because it's very tedious offline, but I will come back and show you how I move some of these over and what my progress is looking like. How are you setting up your stickers for 2026? And are you rearranging them? What are you doing? So go ahead and drop me that comment. And don't forget to share. Views are nice, but to help your girl, I need comments and engagement. So until next time, happy planning. And don't forget to leave me a comment so YouTube know, girl, I'm trying. In Jesus' name.
The dominating teacher got a plan, not a maybe. Her to-do list tight, motivation daily. She don't sit stuck, she move boldly. Discipline is freedom, yeah, she told me. Can't shake the